It's natural material, it doesn't itch or anything. I think it's flax or something. But that's where it goes. If you're having your house built by builders or you're doing it yourself, make sure that due to the insulation goes between the top layer of the wall and the top sill, top plate. If it's a second story house, the same again. You want that stuff in. If they're not putting it in, you are going to have problems, and they may fob you off with things like, oh, the wind membrane will stop any drafts coming in. No, it won't. Take my word for it. You've got to have that stuff in there. It only takes a few minutes, and it saves a lot of cold coming in. You see it on houses time and time and time again, where they've got spray foam coming out the walls, and it's where they've tried to seal up the gaps where that stuff's not been put in. It's very cheap, it's natural material, put it in, or get your builder to put it in. If they've not got it in, you should be asking why it's not being put in there, because it's a vital stage in keeping your house thematically insulated, if you know what I mean. If that's the right word, thematically. But anyway, that's on there now, so on with the next bit. This stuff has already been sprayed, but I'll give it a second coat anyway. Let's see, that piece is in now, and the idea is that that piece goes across there all the way between this kind of an inside wall and those are the outside walls, if you imagine. So there they go all the way, and this stops there. So this piece of the top interlocks those two walls. Then the next layer obviously goes down there. The next layer is the opposite way around. This piece goes over first, and then this is an inside piece, so it gives like a lock on the timbers where the joints are. So you've not only got strength in the uprights, what would you call them, uprights I suppose, then you've got the diagonal bracing, then you've got the stud work, and then you've got that on top extra to make a very stable wall. You can do that top timber out of solid timber, or you can do it in pieces like I'm doing. If you do it out of solid timber, that means you've got to put joints on the corners and stop messing around. This way is far easier. The timbers are a lot lighter, and if there's any bent timbers, you've got a chance to straighten them out, whereas if you've got the thicker stuff, you've no chance. So, but 2 layers on there anyway. That's the first layer on, and the second layer won't go on until this piece is on. So this next piece up there, and it's 100 by 50. I don't have any of that, so I had to quickly rip this piece down here to 100 by 50, 100 millimeters by 50 millimeters.